Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery for the Mercedes Benz GLK350. This is a Keyfob for 2013 model, but I believe it works up all the way to 2016. Okay, if you have a key that looks similar to this, it should work the same way. The way you remove the back cover that holds the batteries is what to do is just hold this little toggle there, slides it to the right, so that way you can remove the emergency key. This is the key that you need to get in. You know, your car, if your battery runs out, it won't open the door for you. So the way you open the compartment is you see the little hole in there that holds the little knob that open up the back cover. All you have to do is push it, and that cover should open up. You see that right there as well? When I open it, see, that's where your emergency key go in. And that push open this little hook right there to open up the cover. And the way you replace the battery is fairly easy. You take that out. Okay, that should flop out. Okay, it takes a CR2025 3-volt battery. Okay, so just get new battery, the way you put it back in, and it's the same way. Put it in an angle and make sure the positive sign is up, and you are done. You close that up. Once you hear a snap, you are done. Okay, so put that back. Oops. There you go. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more video.